what it is real quick. So first, let's drill down on the Git part of GitOps, right? Git is a distributed version control system for tracking code. That's what it was built for. It's been around since 2005, so roughly 20 years. And if you were a developer in the last couple decades, you probably managed your code in multiple repositories on multiple of the major services like GitHub and GitLab and Bitbucket, or something that was hosted. So that's the Git part. It was designed for code and managing version control on code. The ops part means operations in this case, and it's about deployments and infrastructure, config and policy, all managed by Git. So 20 years of Git experience in the community means that the GitOps adoption curve should be shorter, and I think that's why it's become so popular of a topic, at least in a short amount of time. What do you think, Fab?
Well, when you talk about Git and GitOps, I always think about the past and what we were doing on the infrastructure before going to this change of philosophy and mindset that is infrastructure as code, that is then generating the ability of isolating operations, and from that point, the ability of scheduling the operations somehow and controlling by gates. So the Git-based desired state of what we call the source of truth that is generally stored in a declarative way inside a Git repository, we have something that is there, but if we don't have components that are analyzing, reacting to what we do, nothing will happen. So declaring something and defining what is the GitOps itself is quite easy. You use syntax like YAML, JSON, or whatever other format you want to use. Generally, it's YAML. And then you will have to store this as a source of truth inside Git. And from there will be someone reacting to that. So reconciliation is what we call the source of truth declared inside the repository to the infrastructure status and state. That is very important for standardize this single source of truth where teams are working on.